Hello guys, so welcome to the training. So basically, by the end of this training, you will have your complete autoresponder email sequence set up. You will have your landing page set up where the people will enter the email and you will be building the email list of the people, as well as you will be signing up with a different affiliate offers so that the affiliate offers signing up is completely free, so that once you capture the email address, you set up the autoresponder sequence and the system will send those people emails automatically on day 1, day 2, day 3 based on you, the way emails you have set. And so it will be eventually making sales for you and sending them the respective affiliate offers, so that once they buy it, you get the commission. So all these 6 videos below, including this one, it's 6, so the remaining 5 videos will be covering all the aspects of it that is required. So all I ask you guys to do is, once you start with the below video, ensure that whatever is being taught in the below video, and I'll do it live with you, you just have to follow and do the same things, and ensure that before you move on to the next video, you have completed all the tasks that has been done in the previous video. This will ensure that your complete setup is done, because if you skip any of the videos, any of the step, you may be missing out, and then like just listening to the other part of it would not make sense and you may lose off track. So the first video, basically we will be creating your respective autoresponder account and then creating a landing page so that people can actually enter the email address. It will be like an open website that autoresponder itself supports, and in a short video, in a quick step, you can build that. And then the next video, we will be setting an email list, connecting that with the respective autoresponder, so that whenever anyone enters the email address, they will be added to the respective list. And then we'll be creating autoresponder email sequences, like on day 1, what is the email that needs to be sent to the people who have entered the email address, day 2, what is the email needs to be sent, day 3, day 4, day 5, so that eventually on day 4 or day 5, we are able to send the respective affiliate offers, so that once the people buy, when a percentage of people buy, you get the commission as stated in the respective ClickBank offer. So then we'll be jumping onto the next video. The next video, I will be signing you up. I'll be telling you where do you go and sign up for the respective PLR, private label rights, as well as the respective affiliate website. Affiliate website is like, it's a website that allows you to get a unique link of the product which is already selling well in the market, and then you have to sell the product with your respective unique link. So you will be getting a percentage of commission. For example, if the product is selling for like $500, you will be getting maybe 40% if they are promoting. If they are allowing as a commission, you'll be getting $200 for each sale that you have made. So with this particular email marketing, what is happening at the front end, at the landing page, we'll be giving away something completely free. That is the PLR aspect of it. In this particular, the video that I'm talking about, we'll be discovering that as well. We give something free. You don't have to create any of the product. There are multiple number of PLRs already out there. So in order to get those free things, they will have to enter the email address, and then the system will automatically send them the emails that we have set in the video 2 on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. And eventually somewhere like down the line, day 4 or day 5, we send them the respective ClickBank affiliate offer, like the way I told you, the $500 product offer that they may get it. So each of the person who is entering the email at the landing page will be gone through this particular cycle. And because we are delaying it for the day 5, because this is what the sales process goes like, you cannot just right away sell people stuff. You have to build a sort of a connection. So by the day 5, we have built the connection. So a percentage of people, very small but still a percentage of people, will buy it. So it will just become a numbers game. The more number of people you put in, the more money comes out to your respective email marketing campaign. So it'll be as easy as that. So that being done in the 3rd video, the next 4th video, all we'll be doing is just covering the traffic aspect. How do you drive traffic to your respective landing page that we have built in the video 1, so that you sent in people and you see money out. Like the more number of people you sent in, the more number of people you see converted over a period of time by the autoresponder sequence itself. So the traffic portion will be covered, both the methods, the paid traffic methods as well as the free traffic methods will be covered. And then in the last video, we'll be just covering like, how does the future hold? Like your complete setup is done. Now, how do you go about it? Like, how do you tweak and improve for the better results? Because this is the eventual model. All the successful entrepreneurs around the world, on the complete internet, millions and millions of people are using this particular successful model. So I want you guys to actually experience it, building along with me, so that that particular successful model is built for yourself. So with consistent tweaking and testing and maybe launching the same model for the other things that you do, you are able to get into the real game and you are able to generate the real money. And this is the process to do it. So let's jump onto the first video where we create the autoresponder account and then set up the landing page. See you guys in the next video.